That's it for my appointments, right?
Mm-hmm. Manny's motor's called. Your tune-up's finished. Okay. Alicia called about lunch at 2.
Right.
And your son is in the back making copies.
Oh.
Hi, doctor. Here you go, full workup. Okay, thank you for bringing them by.
Can I talk to you?
No, I can't. I'm jammed. If you could call and yeah, quickly. That's my son. You didn't speak to him, did you?
I came to tell you about this afternoon. It's today.
Today.